In this video, let's talk about the way that you use the TikTok mobile app. Welcome back to a new guide video on how Connect. If you're new to using TikTok, let me show you a few important sections that are inside of TikTok. Now, once you've been logged into your TikTok account, you straight away will take into the For You page, which is the page that provides you new content. You can just scroll through this content and then just interact with it. This way you're going to get similar content, but however, if you see a content that you don't like, you can also ignore, or what you can do is tap and hold on the screen and then tap on not interested. This way the algorithm of TikTok knows to not show you such kind of content. Along with the For You page, there are a couple of other options such as following, explore, or the stem section. These are also additional content that you can explore. The explore section is just going to be the picture section where people post pictures instead of actual videos. If you know a creator that you want to follow and want to watch a creator on TikTok, you can search them up on the top and then type in their username. This way you can open up their profiles, and if you want to follow, you can follow them as well. Now, if you're trying to post your own TikToks, you can tap on this plus icon on the bottom. Either record a video straight away, or if you have a pre-recorded video or a edited video, you can post it through this section. All of the posted content will be visible on the profile section, which is on the bottom right. So this is the way that you use the TikTok mobile app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.